Hey everyone, here's how to install Apollo Group TV on your Fire Stick in under 1 minute. First, go to settings on your Fire Stick, then tap My Fire TV and choose Developer Options. Now, turn on apps from unknown sources and ADB debugging. Next, go back to the home screen, select Search and type in Downloader. Download and open the app. In Downloader, enter the code 299336 or visit apollogroup.tv. Then hit go and the app will begin downloading. Once downloaded, click install. After that, you can delete the APK to save space. Now return to your apps and channels, find Apollo Group TV and open it. Just log in with your credentials and you're done. Enjoy your favorite TV shows, and if this video helps, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.